birds. Hello kids! How will you feel if you get wings? Wow! That will be amazing! Then you will be able to fly.
Same way, birds are amazing. They are our feathered friends. They can fly up high in the sky. Birds are of many types. And so friends, I'm going to visit a bird park. First I'm going to see some common birds. And you can find them in gardens, parks, and even near your homes too. Sparrow, parrot, pigeon, crow, peacock. Now here are some farm birds. You can find them at farms. They are farmer's pet. Hen, duck, rooster, goose, turkey. Oh, now it's time to meet some wild birds. Though they live in forests, they keep coming to different places. Vulture, macaw, nightingale, kingfisher, woodpecker. Now let's meet some special feathered friends. Do you know why they are special? They are special because they have feathers and wings but can't fly. So, they are called as flightless birds too. Ostrich, emu, kiwi.